Hello and welcome. In this step-by-step tutorial, you learn how to enable the Save Live Video feature on Instagram. Now, saving live video is essential for preserving your live broadcast. It allows you to revisit and share your most memorable moments with your audience after a live session has ended. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's dive in. Open up your Instagram app. Tap on your profile photo in the bottom right corner of your Instagram to see your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal line on the top right corner to view your profile menu. Now tap on settings to review the settings menu. Now in settings, tap on privacy to access your privacy preferences. Now scroll up and tap on live to customize your live video settings. In live video settings, you'll find the Save Live Video option. Toggle on the switch next to it to enable the feature. Now you can capture and share your most memorable moments, creating a meaningful connection with your audience. If you found this tutorial useful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tutorials and tips.